पेन चाहिए था। पेन कहाँ रख दिया? पेन था भी यहाँ पे।
पेन था ये है। और चीज़ मेरे से ले लो।
Class 8 maths. Yes, children. In previous video we have learnt about the quadrilaterals, or we have learned about the polygon. Now in this video we are going to learn about the sum of measures of the exterior angle of the polygon. Yes children, you can see the figure. In this figure, angle 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, all these are the exterior angle. How many sides it has? The figure, this polygon having 5 sides. This is the pentagon. So you can count the how many number of exterior angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 exterior angles are there. So we want to find the sum of these angles. So let us start moving from the point A and move along the side AB. On reaching the B, to move on the side BC, we will turn through the angle 1, and on reaching the point C, to move along the side CD, we will turn through the angle 2. Now on moving on the point D, or on reaching on point D, to move along the side DC, we will turn through the angle 3. Similarly, from the point E, we will turn through the angle 4 and reach at the point A. Now again to move on AB, we have to turn angle 5, and in this way we will complete the one turn. So we can say the angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 160. Angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 360 degree. So I hope you have understood. To return to the side AB, you will take the complete round, or you will make the 360 degree angle. So in this way we can say the sum of the exterior angle of the polygon is sum of the exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Yes children, you can do this activity at your home. You will draw the pentagon and mark these 5 angles and start moving from the point A. You will walk along the line AB, and from the point B you will turn through the angle 1, and from the point C to move then you will move along the line BC, and from the point C to move along the line CD you will turn through the angle 2, and from the point D to move along the line DE you will turn through the angle 3, and from the point E to move on the line EA you will turn through the angle 4, and from the point A to again you will to reach back or to come back on the line AB you will turn through the angle 5, and in this way you will reach at the point B, or to reach at the point B you will observe that you have took the complete round, or you have made the one turn. So in this way, the angle 1, 2, 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360 degree. So the angle sum property of the exterior angle of polygon is 360 degree. Now let us move to the exercise. Find x in the following figure. Now you can see in the first one, in the first figure, you can see the exterior angle has been given to you. So with the help of exterior angle sum property of polygon, exterior angle sum property of polygon, we can say, suppose this is angle 1, 2, sorry, 125, इसको आप नाम दे सकते हैं A, B और C. So by the exterior angle property of polygon, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 360 degree. All these are exterior angle, and we have learned that the sum of the exterior angle of polygon is always 360 degree. So what is the value of A here? A is equal to 125 degree. B की वैल्यू है, it is unknown है, this is unknown angle, and angle C is equal to 125 degree, and which is equal to 360 degree. So what you have to do here, 125, that means 250 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. So the value of x is equal to 360 minus 250 degree, that is x is equal to 110 degree. So in this way we can find the unknown angle with the help of angle sum property. And in the second question, what you have to do, how many angles are there, how many exterior angles are there. Now how will you find the unknown? Here only the one angle has been given to you. In the second figure you can see only the one unknown angle has been given to you, or two unknown angle has been given to you. So how will you find the remaining angle? This is, आप इनको नाम सबसे पहले दीजिए, A, B, C, D and E. How many angles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles are there. So two angles has been given to you. Unknown angle you will find with the help of angle sum property. Sorry, with the help of linear pair angle property. So C equal to 90 degree. You can see this is a linear pair of angle. Similarly, E will be 90 degree. This is also a linear pair of angle. So angle E is equal to 90 degree, angle C is equal to 90 degree, and X is unknown here. So 5 angles are known, only one angle is unknown. You can see in the picture, you can see in the figure B, you can see in this figure, 5 angles we have find. One of the angle is 70, 90, 60 and 90. Only the one angle is remaining here. So what you have to do, again you will use the exterior angle property, exterior angle sum property of polygon. By the exterior angle sum property of polygon, exterior means outside, exterior angle sum property of polygon. what will happen here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. All there are 5 exterior angles, so sum of all the 5 exterior angle will be equal to 360 degree. Now one by one we'll put the value of each angle. Angle A is equal to 70 degree. Angle B is unknown, its value, so let us assume that it is x, or it is given x degree. Angle C is equal to 90 degree. Angle D is equal to 60 degree, and angle E is equal to 90 degree. A, B, C, D, E is equal to 360 degree. So E is equal to angle 90 degree. Now sum or add all these angles. 70 plus 90, 160, 160 plus 60. So 220, 220 plus 90, 220 plus 90, 310 degree. Plus x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree, that is 50 degree. So what is the value of unknown angle? X is equal to 50 degree that we have found. Okay. So in this way we can, with the help of exterior angle sum property, this is the application of exterior angle sum property. In this way, with the help of exterior angle sum property, we can find the unknown angles, unknown exterior angles. Now let us move to the next question. Again, some more application of this property, exterior angle sum property of polygon. We will, with the help of this property, we will solve some more questions. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Regular polygon means, what do you mean by the regular polygon? Once again I recall, regular polygon. Regular polygon means equiangular and equilateral. Regular polygons are equiangular and equilateral. So how many sides it has? Question number 2 we are going to solve. Now the 9 sides it has. 9 sides it has. A polygon having, find the measure of each exterior angle. Now 9 sides means it has 9 exterior angle. A polygon with the 9 side has, a polygon with 9 sides will have 9 angles. होगा, 9 angles होंगे. Definitely it will have the 9 angle. So sum of all the 9 angles. Suppose let the measure of each exterior angle is x degree. Let the measure of each exterior angle is equal to x degree. So that means sum of the angle, sum of the all exterior angle will be 9x. Sum of all the exterior angle of the polygon will be equal to 9x and by the angle sum property of polygons, by the angle sum property of exterior angle of polygon, 9x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree divided by 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36, x is equal to 40 degree. So in this way we have find the measure of exterior angle. So first of all, what has been given? This is a regular polygon. Regular polygon means equiangular होगा and equilateral होगा. It will be equiangular and equilateral. So also we know that this is a polygon with 9 sides. Polygon with 9 sides will have 9 angles. Clearly, you can draw the polygon with the 9 sides and count the angle. You will find it that it has a 9 angles and all the angles will be equal. So we can say that let one angle is x degree. So 9 angle will be, to sum of the 9 angle will be 9x, and 9x will be equal to 360 degree by the angle sum property of exterior angle of polygon. So in this way we can find the unknown angle, and remaining second one you will do with yourself. You will do yourself. This is your homework. Now let us move to the next question. Third question. How many sides does a regular polygon have if its measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? So with the help of this, how many sides? Question number 3. How many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? Here the problem has inverted. Here from the second problem, in the second problem number of sides has been given. In the question number 3, the measure of angle has been given and you have to find the number of sides. तो वाइज वर्सा है. आप देखिए इसमें एंगल दिया हुआ सेकंड क्वेश्चन में. यू कैन सी इन द सेकंड क्वेश्चन नंबर ऑफ साइड हैज बीन गिवन, बट in the third question the measure of each angle has been given and you have to find the number of sides. So let the x number of angles or polygon having the x sides, let the polygon has x number of sides. So it will have x number of angles and each angle is, measure of each angle is each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. That means by angle sum property of exterior angle of polygon we can say 24x is equal to 360 degree. 24 into x, sum of the angle कितना हो जाएगा? 24 into x. One of the angle is 24 and x number of angles are there. So sum of the angle will be 24 into x will be equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 divided by 24. Now 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 eights are 2 zeros are 12 ones are 12, 6 in hand, 12 fives are 60. So there will be 15 total number of angles. The polygon will have 15 sides. polygon will have total 15 sides. Let us move to the next question. Now, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Now, there's a little bit change. In the previous problem, the interior angle has been given, exterior angle has been given. Now, in this question, the interior angle has been given. This is again a regular polygon. Now, I'm just giving you a hint. So what you have to do? You will do it yourself. Now, suppose this is a polygon and this is a regular polygon, so all the angle will be equal, or it is equiangular, it is lateral also. One of the angle is 165. Each interior angle is 165 degree. So with the help of interior angle, we will find the exterior angle. So what will be the exterior angle here? 165 plus 25. Sorry, 161. It should be 180 degree. So 180 degree, that means 15 degree. Exterior angle will be 15 degree. Each exterior angle will be of 15 degree. Each exterior angle will be 15 degree. So polygon whose exterior angle is 15 degree, आपको फाइंड करना है हाउ मेनी साइड्स डज अ रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन हैव. अब 15 डिग्री है इसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल का एक्सटीरियर. लेट इट हैज x number of sides. Let the polygon has x number of sides. So it will have x number of angles. And by angle sum property, by angle sum property of exterior angle of polygons. There will be sum of the angle will be 15 into x is equal to 360 degree. So x is equal to 360 degree divided by 15. 15 ones are 15 twos are 30, 6 in a hand, and 15 fours are 60. X is equal to 24 degree, or a number of side. X we have taken number of sides, so it will have 24 sides. Next question. It is possible to have the regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle is it possible to have a regular polygon? अब आप ये इसको खुद करेंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 को आप पता करेंगे इसमें क्या ये रेगुलर पॉलीगॉन होगा, इसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम कितना होना चाहिए. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle is 22 degree? ऐसा पॉलीगॉन हो सकता है क्या जिसके एक्सटीरियर एंगल का सम कितना हो 22 डिग्री. सो इसको करने के लिए आप क्या करेंगे, चेक करेंगे क्या ऐसा कोई पॉलीगॉन है 22 इंटू एक्स इज इक्वल टू, लेट इट हैज x एंगल, so 22 into x is equal to 22 into x is equal to 360 degree, so x is equal to 360 divided by 22. आप इसको चेक करके फाइंड करेंगे, आपका होमवर्क है, ये होता है या नहीं होता है, फिर मैं आपका डाउट क्लियर करूंगी. सो इन दिस वीडियो विल लर्न up to question number 4.